So let's say I have, okay, SKFacts, right? SKFacts is a kind of banking sector, financial. Okay. And now SKFacts is 50 years old company. Okay. So when it started, okay, it was started with a normal. Okay, the first person who used SKFacts, maybe they were started using or maintaining the data in the form of books. They have a lot of books. Okay. So if anyone want to open a account, they will give a passbook. Anyone know passbook? Bank account passbook. If you go to SBI bank,
Yeah.
they still
Yes,
give a
sir.
passbook. Correct? Correct. So if you just deposit some amount, they will just do and then they will stamp it. That is called passbook. That means they're still using the classic way. Am I right? Yes. Now everything, if you want a simple statement, you can go to login and then get the okay statement. Tuck 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 tuck. It will give you a nice PDF with the company logo and address, everything. Correct. But this 50 years before, not like that. If you just want to go and then my father is a kind of government employee, right? So he needs to go every month, 31st or last day, to the district, and then there will be a kind of treasury where he needs to collect the money. Okay, and then he needs to travel back. It's 2.5 hour journey to my village. Okay, so while he is coming, he will get all the sweets. Only one day he will get so much of sweets, mixture. Okay, that day we will be like enjoying. Okay, my mother likes Mysore pak, I like something, so he get every, my brother need want like kind of doodh peda something, so he will tell sweet, he will get the sweets, but also he will get a specific favorite sweet also, only one day of month. And then remaining 34 29 days we never even touch, or we never even dream the Mysore pak or any sweet. I like Mysore pak, okay, by the way. So he needs to travel and then go and then tell and then get the money and then go. So that's how the salary structures are, that was maintained, okay, when I was kid. Now salaries are directly coming to your account, correct? So the bank, which was established 50 years back, okay, initially the bank used to maintain the data in the form of books, ledgers, we call it as general ledgers. Okay. Then computerized came, computers started, okay, then they started keeping the data in the kind of Excel sheets and then storing in normal local computers, then storage has become more and then database come, okay. Then database also associated with applications. Now cloud came. Okay, good. So I, the SKFacts company, have one application. Maybe let's say we seen the transactions, correct? So let's say we are also, our platform is using one tool. The tool name is maybe, okay, SK tool, SK issue tool. It's an inbuilt tool. Okay, this tool in-housely we developed it, and the purpose of this tool is to report instant management. Okay, it was developed in maybe 90s and till 2020, almost 30 years we used it. Okay, it's an in-house tool. The purpose is instant management. It will help us to manage the incident management. Everyone till this point clear? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Now as the world is trending, okay, are okay, the other platforms and other tools are giving a lot of flexibility, right? They will do what is, okay, I okay, this discussion I think we didn't have, okay. So one nice company came, okay, so you have this much of big company and this much of employees and you are having this much of data, and why you are using your own tools? Because you see a lot of, okay, maybe let's put it in a different way. Okay, so I am SKFX. Okay, I sat in a park, let's say like this. Okay, and then one of our, my friend, okay, let's say he is my friend. Okay, so Anil Kumar Garu came, right? Right, he's my friend and he's the owner of one tool. Okay, maybe the tool is maybe, okay, just a, it's a cloud based tool, let's say Servicenow, right? I'll tell you one common discussion, I will tell you, okay, just to understand the discussion, right? Sales people, right? HR people, sales people, they are more specialized in that. It's not, we don't need to point that way, but anyone who are selling, na, the mindset I'm telling it. Okay, so understand it. Okay, I I'm sitting in the park and then I'm meeting my police. Okay, cashiers, kishios and all. Then he came. Okay, hi, hello, SKFacts, how are you? Then I said, good, good, and all, and all. I said, then he said, how is your company is doing? Okay, then it is doing great. I said, so how you are managing your issues and ticketing and all? I said, okay, we have a SK tool. Okay, it is our own tool. Our developers developed it. We are doing great with it. Okay, now one powerful question will come. Okay, I just want to understand. Okay, because I also have some tools. Tell me, like, what are the challenges you are facing with your tool? Good. Okay, so now what could be the answer from SKFacts? That guy, either he needs to say, I don't have any problems, but generally he don't say. Okay, because he's a friend, no, he will say. Okay, maybe it's a old tool. Okay, sometimes it is slow. And see here, think. Okay, every point that we he speaks, how it will convert. Very carefully see. Okay, he is casually telling. Even the flow also you observe it. Okay, my tool is a normal tool. Okay, it just we just use it for service now. Sorry, we just use it for instant management, ticketing and all. And it's a simple tool. But now we are facing little hurdle because last week some disaster came. So the data movement, because it's in-house tool, we faced a lot of issues. Okay, and every time the database is getting loaded, so we are facing some issues with the load balancing and all. And now to maintain this data, we are also maintaining a database. Okay, data center. And I recently purchased 10 servers. And we also have a great team of database team, maybe 20, 10 people are there. So this is where we are concentrating more and we are spending a lot of money here. But all are good. So far we are satisfied. This is how I will tell to my friend. Am I right? Everyone? This is the way you also tell your problems to your friend, correct?
Yeah.
Yes, everyone. Yes. Did I made any mistake here? SKFacts did any mistake here by telling all this?
No.
Yes. No. Correct. Now, okay. Whatever the problems that SKFacts told is the business opportunity for Anil Kumar. Why? Is first he said slow. He said database. Okay. Data maintenance. DB maintenance. Okay. And he said, okay, disaster. Something happened where we faced some issue of losing the data or maintaining the data. Okay, disaster. Disaster. Okay, then he said cost. Okay, and then he said manpower, and he said also slowness. Okay, good. Now Anil Kumar, after 2 minutes, when SKFax is good in mood, he will say, why you are putting this much of effort, this much of struggle, that too you are, why you are struggling with this kind of old tools? Why can't you go for a cloud based tool where it will be robust? The word called robust means fast, means fast plus more automated, robotic, robust. Okay, and data, if it is a cloud, you no need to do any maintenance, you no need to do purchase any licenses, you no need to even see your data. Okay, the cloud people will manage it, you just access it via an application, and you don't even have any issue with disaster because you are not protecting your data, someone is protecting your data. Okay, cost, you are maintaining this much now, you are earning also this much, so if you just go, you are more or less spend the same thing or more, but it is more effective. Okay, so if you have 5 crores rupee, will you go for will you go and buy 5 lakhs car, or you will look for a maybe kind of 20 lakhs 30 lakhs car, no? Let's say your need is 5 lakhs car, let's say like this. Okay, middle class mentality, but you earn 5 crores, so you go and buy a car of 25 lakhs, or you still go and buy 5 lakhs car? Everyone,
5 lakhs.
you still buy 5 lakhs cars even though you earn 5 crores. 5 crores means how much, you know? We calculated
Yes,
in
sir.
crores. Okay, that means 50 millions. If you have 50 million rupees or dollars, will you go and buy 5 lakhs car or 25 lakhs car? How, like million? I don't know how to say in millions. Okay, US language. Okay, so obviously we'll go for higher car only, correct? So when
Yes, sir.
when he is maintaining this much of big company, you don't care about the small expenses. When it is giving really a value add to the service in a long term, correct? So obviously what SKFacts will tell, okay, I will look into it. Then this guy Anil Kumar, okay, immediately call Anush Garu because Anush Garu communication is good. She's from marketing. Then she will give a demo, okay, and then she will tell, okay, this is what my tool and this is how it will help you and this is the cost optimization, okay, this is how you will get everything, blah 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 blah. Very classy words she will tell. Then, okay, Anil Garu got a customer of SKFX and they will migrate to this tool, okay, to ServiceNow. Story started. Till this point, everyone clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, okay. Everyone till this point clear?
Yes.